Welcome to the e-learning classes. Today for the 10th class students of English medium, we are going to study about distance formula in coordinate geometry. In a coordinate plane, the horizontal axis is x-axis and the vertical axis is y-axis. These axes divide the coordinate plane into 4 quadrants. Here you can see the x-axis and the y-axis. So all the points on x-axis have y coordinate as 0 and all the points lying on the line parallel to x-axis have the same y coordinate. So here you can see the points J, K and L. So the coordinates of J are -4, 7. For K are 4, 7 and for L 12, 7. So all the y coordinates on x-axis are 0 and on any line parallel to x-axis, all the points lying on that line will have the same y coordinate. Similarly, on your y-axis, the x coordinate is 0 and the line HGI, this is a line which is parallel to y-axis. In this line, all the x coordinates are the same. So you can see H has the coordinates as 9, 5, G has the coordinates 9, 2 and I have the coordinates 9, -5. All points on y-axis have x coordinate as 0 and all points on lines parallel to y-axis have the same x coordinate. For example, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, -3 are points on y-axis. In all these points, we see that the x coordinate is 0. And in the points 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, -6 are the points on a line parallel to y-axis. We can see that the x coordinates are same. Similarly, 5, 0, 7, 0 are points on x-axis and 5, 2, 3, 2, 8, 2 are points on line parallel to x-axis. Here we can see that the y coordinates are same. Now today we are going to use Pythagoras theorem and find the formula for distance between 2 points. I am taking A and B are 2 points with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now I want to find the distance between AB. So here I am constructing a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at C. So the coordinates of C are x2, y1. So the distance between AC, that is AC is equal to x2 minus x1 because both the y coordinates are same. It is the distance between 2 points which are parallel to x-axis. Similarly, the distance between BC is y2 minus y1. Here the x coordinates are same. So we got two perpendicular distances AC and BC. Here A and B are 2 points. AC is parallel to x-axis and distance AC is x2 minus x1. BC is parallel to y-axis and BC is y2 minus y1. We have a right angle at C. So AB is the hypotenuse of the right angled triangle. Applying Pythagorean theorem, AB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to sum of the squares of the two sides containing the right angle, that is AC square plus CB square. So in place of AC I am going to substitute x2 minus x1 and in place of CB I am going to substitute y2 minus y1. So AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now taking square root on both sides, AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula for the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now let us see with an example. Find the radius of a circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. So radius of a circle is the distance between center and the point on the circle. So x1, y1 is 3, 2 and x2, y2 is minus 5, 6. So if we find the distance between these 2 points, it gives the radius of the circle. So applying the distance formula, distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So taking under root, minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. So minus 8 square plus 4 square. So minus 8 into minus 8 is plus 64 and 4 into 4 is 16. So this comes nothing but 80 units. So the distance between the 2 points is root 80 units, which is nothing but the radius of the circle. Now coming to the second point, we are going to see the different types of problems which can be solved using the distance formula. So here the second problem states that check if A 5, minus 3, B 8, 3 and C 11, minus 3 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So you have three vertices are given and you have to show that these are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. So a triangle which has two sides which are equal is called as an isosceles triangle. So here we have to find the distances AB, BC and CA. So if any two distances are equal, then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. So taking AB, applying the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is nothing but 8 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus of minus 3 whole square. So 3 square plus 6 square is nothing but 9 plus 36 is equal to root 45 units. Similarly, I am going to find the distance between BC. That is nothing but 11 minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. So 3 square plus minus 6 whole square, which is again 9 plus 36 is equal to 45 root 45 units. So the lengths of AB is equal to BC. So the vertices are of an isosceles triangle. In case if AB is not equal to BC, we have to find out the third distance AC also. In that case, here we are not finding AC because already we got AB is equal to BC. So two lengths are equal. So it is a isosceles triangle. Children, today we have found out the formula for the distance and the different types of problems which can be solved using the distance formula in coordinate geometry. Thank you children for watching the video.